we'll guide you through how to install fonts on Mac. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, you'll need to go and open up a browser, so we'll just go and open up Safari. And so if there's a specific font you want, then go and search for it. But if you just want to go and browse for a font, a great website I like to use is called Defont. So type it in D-A-F-O-N-T. And the web address is Deffontcom. So here we are. And then you've got all these different genres you can select from at the top. You can also look at the top fonts and new fonts as well. So let me scroll down here and see one I like. Let's say I wanted this Babus font here. I could come over to the right and go and click on download like this. I'll need to allow downloads and it will then go and download. Open your Finder and go to downloads and you should go and see it. You can go and double click on it and we can then see these different files in here. So then what you can do is go and find the font files. If we go over, you can see there's the open type font and the true type font. So these are the font files, and then what you can do is go and install them. So we've got the regular one here. Some fonts are going to have like italic versions of it. This has just got regular though. Go and double click on it like so, and then it should go and open up. It'll go and give you a preview. And then what you can do is go to the bottom right and click install like this. And the font will then go and be installed. It's that simple. I can then go to the font we just installed, which is Babus, just here. I can then type using it just like so.